Yes, hello friends. Today we are going to discuss evaluation order of syntax directed definitions. In last lecture we already discussed the things related to the syntax directed definition. In that we discussed the things that the collection of grammar plus semantic actions is called as syntax directed definition. Also we discuss synthesized attribute and inherited attribute. Okay, now what is dependency graph? Dependency graph tool for determining an evaluation order for the attribute instances in a given parse tree. Okay, what is the meaning of this statement? This is nothing but the dependency graph. It describes evaluation order or evaluation. What we can say that how we are going to evaluate the string. Okay, annotated parse tree shows the values of attribute. A dependency graph help to determine how those value can be computed. Now next, dependency graph edges are expressed. Constraint implies the semantic rule. Each attribute is associated to a node. If a semantic rule is associated with a production, it defines the value of synthesized attribute A to B in terms of the value of x dot c. Then graph has an edges from x dot c to A dot B. Okay, we will discuss these things with example. If a semantic rule is associated with the production P, it defines the value of inherited attribute. Okay, what is different between synthesize and inherited? Synthesize means what? It takes the value from its children only. But in inherited, it takes the value from its children, sibling and parent only. Okay. If a semantic rule associated with a production P, it defines the value of inherited attribute B dot C in terms of value of x dot A, then the graph has an edge from x dot A to B dot C. Okay. Now takes the example. Production E produces E1 plus T. So how we are going to evaluate it? E1 plus T. Dotted line shows E1 plus T. And what the solid line state, that is E1 dot value plus T dot value addition is stored in a E. Okay. Thus in this way we describe the things related to the dependency graph. Okay. Thank you.